to another vlog. I am making tea right now over here. Mine is working, and the smoke that you can see, oh my god, look at that, it's giving such a nice smoky flavor. Not a flavor, but like a picture. Well, the smoke is this incense stick. Well, if you guys do not know, I burn incense stick every day because it makes the house smell so good. So I love it. And this is in a lavender flavor. I got it from Patel Brothers. Anyways, so I'm very excited to show you one of my favorite things since childhood. Is that this hot water bag that got delivered yesterday, and it came with the sweater, so it was very exciting. So inside is the hot water bag, and this is a sweater, because you anyways need something to cover it up because otherwise it's very hot. So yeah, like when I like I always love taking hot water bag and going to sleep, or even if I'm sitting on the couch, I just love it. If my feet get the warm from the hot water bags, I just love that. So anyways, my water is ready. Water is here. Marvel is sitting there and relaxing. He is done with his food and his walk, everything. Last night we made one of our famous combination for dinner was curry, bhindi and rice, bhindi and rice. So basically curry is the yogurt based curry and bhindi is okra, and rice and roti. So that is what we made for dinner, and we still have some leftover. So probably we'll finish the leftover for lunch, but for dinner I want to make another amazing dish today. You guys have to wait and continue watching to know what we are making. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment.
पीछे की तरफ हाथ से खुल जाए ये यहाँ पे किचन अपग्रेड, तो यहाँ पे जो है और एडिशनल किचन वॉल ओवन वगैरह ऐड कर सकते हो इस तरीके से। तो मतलब थोड़े मोड़े चेंजेस यू कैन डू। एंड सेकंड फ्लोर पे ओपन टू बिलो है, उसकी जगह बोनस रूम कर सकते हो।
बेडरूम बनाना है उसको।
हाँ, जो
नीचे देखते हो सुंदर लगता है।
हाँ नहीं,
अच्छा ये क्या हाय राम ऑर्डर में ले गए ये ओ बाबू ऑर्डर बैग का नो
स्वीट में टब ऐड कर सकते हो।
Alright, I am making lunch and I'm just using up all the leftovers. And I have, let me show you how much I have. It's like I have this much of okra bhindi. It's hot. And then I have 2 bowls of curry that I'm going to divide, and then with this I'm going to make the ready-made palak paneer, MTR palak paneer, because we're so hungry and we want to make it really quickly. So we're making this with the leftovers. So yeah, I'm just putting up the whole food together with all leftovers, and it's going to be delicious. बोले उस समय कट गया था मेरा फोन, मतलब कि मैं काम करती हूँ।
ओके 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 ओके। मैं नेटफ्लिक्स देख रही हूँ, निकिता ने पासवर्ड दे दिया है।
अरे वाह, तो आपके पास तो बहुत सारी चीजें हो गई देखने को नेटफ्लिक्स में।
हाँ बहुत सारी है।
नेटफ्लिक्स तो आपको पहले से आई थिंक वो करना चाहिए था। नेटफ्लिक्स तो शायद आपको पहले से देखना शुरू करना चाहिए था।
नहीं एक्चुअली वाईफाई नहीं था ना घर में यहाँ बेटा।
अच्छा,
हमने कहा नेटफ्लिक्स आजकल देख रहे हैं, नेटफ्लिक्स वाईफाई है ना, निकिता ने पासवर्ड दे दिया है। तो मूवी सीरियल ये सब बहुत है उसमें।
अरे बहुत कुछ है, हम तो पूरा दिन नेटफ्लिक्स ही देखते हैं।
हाँ,
ओ हाँ,
वही देख रहे हैं।
नेटफ्लिक्स में एक सीरीज है जिसका नाम शी है। शी
क्या श्री?
नहीं, शी, SHE, शी।
अच्छा अच्छा।
वो देखिए, वो आज ही देखना शुरू करिए, इतना अच्छा सीरीज है।
अच्छा तनु, अभी मैं लेफ्ट
वो
बॉडी।
तीन लड़कियों का है, तीन लड़कियों का है ना, तीन लड़कियों का।
नहीं नहीं,
एक्चुअली वो है SHE नॉट शी, अलग अलग है तीनों।
नहीं, सिर्फ शी, SHE।
अरे यार आपको पता है सीरियल हुआ करता है।
हुआ करता नहीं, सीरियल नहीं है, सीरीज है एक।
सीरीज है। और बताओ।
ये छोटी छोटी स्टोरी, ये छोटी छोटी स्टोरी होती है, इसमें एक लड़का होता है, तीन लड़कियां होती हैं।
जी नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो नहीं है।
मन से मत लगाया करो।
मम्मा भाई, मैंने आपको भेज दिया नाम, देख लीजिए उसको। वो बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छी है, हमने कल ही देखी और हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि ओ माय गॉड, उसका नेक्स्ट सीरीज कब आएगा, नेक्स्ट एपिसोड।
ठीक है, तो वो क्या है मतलब पूरा एपिसोड नहीं?
एक ही सीजन है,
अच्छा।
उसमें 7-8 एपिसोड है जिसमें कि खत्म किया अब, और इसका और एक नया वो आएगा सीजन।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। तो ठीक है, देख लेंगे, यहाँ देख लेंगे। हाँ अच्छा बता दिया, ऐसे बता दिया।
नेटफ्लिक्स अब आप देख लीजिए, मैं आपको बहुत सारी चीजें बता दूंगी उसमें। तो
हाँ बताना है, मूवीज वूवीज बताना है।
यस।
कितना बना रही हो?
कढ़ी चावल कल बनाया था, भिंडी तो वो लेफ्ट ओवर ही वो कर रही हूँ, यूज कर रही हूँ।
अच्छा ओके। और पापा क्या कर रहे हैं?
पूजा कर रहे हैं शायद।
अच्छा तो बोलो कल मैं फिर पूजा हो।
चलिए फिर आप रख दीजिए, काट दीजिए फोन पापा।
चलिए ठीक है, मेरा पूजा कर लीजिए। ओके। क्या कर रहे हैं?
रख दीजिए ना आप फोन पापा।
ओके बेबी, ऑल द बेस्ट।
All right, so I'm seeing you guys after a while. Mayank is off and
Mayank is off.
huh? What?
I mean, she turns me on every morning, and then after a while she turns me off, so my stupidity stops happening.
And then
we are eating watermelon.
yeah, we are eating watermelon right now.
For a snack.
Look at that nice red color, and they are very sweet and juicy. So this is going to be our snack. And
Question.
Yeah.
How many of you really like to add black salt in your watermelon? I know it makes it lose all its water, but I mean, it tastes delicious. So comment and let us know if you are one of those who like to add black salt to your watermelon.
Yeah.
Now you can continue.
No, I was saying that we don't really know what we're going to eat for dinner, but we are deciding on eating malai tikka. No, what?
Malai chicken tikka.
Malai chicken tikka. So I have this mixture, spice mixture is called malai tikka, and let's see if I want to eat this or not.
Malai tikka, and then I should mix a little bit of dal makhani.
But dal makhani is gonna take so much of time.
Nah, crock pot baby. And we already have rajma in there.
Okay, let's see.
Soaked rajma.
So for malai tikka, you'll be needing chicken cubes, yogurt, fresh cream, lemon juice, green chili, and the mixture. That's it. And we have chicken. Everything is there. And oven proof, marinate, and bake it on 180, 15-20 minutes. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Let's see. Alright, I am making dinner, and for dinner I know I was about to make something fancy, but I don't think so I'm making tonight. So I'm making, right now what I'm making is rajma, but today I'm gonna make it in a different way. Like same onion, tomato, spices, but instead of adding like tomato puree or something, I am adding this thing called sofrito. This is from Goya, and it's a tomato cooking base. It has green peppers, onion, culantro, and garlic in olive oil. So I'm using this, like 2 tablespoons of this. Yeah, that is how I'm making it. And then I make some rice, and we have roti. So we're gonna eat it with that. And he is right there. Marvel is right there.
I'm a little distracted in my phone.
Yep, he is a little distracted. Marvel is just lying down here. I'm in the kitchen, so this is what we're doing. There's nothing much to do, nothing much going on, so.
Okay guys, so I know you guys didn't see much of me today. It has been a little busy day, and there was nothing much going on to really show you guys today. It was kind of a low day. There was nothing much going on. Tanya showed you she made rajma with a different kind of recipe with sofrito sauce. But all in all, it was a calm day. I had work all day, and then she just made a simple dinner. Let me know how many of you love rajma chawal. So I guess that is it for today's vlog, and Tanya is getting freshened up right now. Marvel is on his bed, everything as usual. You can see how messy I look. I'm ready to hit the bed. And many of you guys have been requesting on Instagram and on different, like Facebook, different social media channels about what we did to actually do our weight loss journey. And we have been consistent for a while now, and we have seen much results. So I know many of you want to know what exactly we do. So I'm gonna record a video in Hindi, and as well as I'll do a different vlog, or Tanya wants to do another vlog in English. So very soon you will get all that content out as well, so everybody can see, understand what we actually do to stay fit and healthy. But anyways, I thought for this vlog, it's a lifestyle. If nothing happens in a day, nothing happens, and if there's too much going on, too much is going on, you know. All days are not same, and that is the fun of doing these vlogs, because no 2 vlogs can be exactly same. There will be a million people doing their lifestyle vlogs, but they cannot all be same, because their lifestyle is different than ours, and our everyday will be different, you know. So that's why we had so much fun connecting with you guys. So let us know if you have these kinds of days where nothing really is going on. So anyways, it's time to hit the bed, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Actually, we'll see you guys in the next vlog, and until then, bye bye.